everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this Christmas elf box that was sent to me from Festivibe. The box is super cute and is filled with festive goodies. Inside you will find an adorable elf plush toy, 3 cute and colourful Christmas snap bands, a hot chocolate stirrer, 3 super soft and adorable squishies, a playful elf keyring, Christmas themed bubbles, 10 sheets of stickers featuring elves in different poses, a Grinch ornament painting kit, 2 packs of elf themed temporary tattoos, an elf hat, and 25 sheets of elf reports. The elf box is full of festive fun and surprises, making it a wonderful gift for the holiday season. With so many cute and creative items, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So that's all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts on today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!